In this section, we'll walk through the process of finding, downloading, installing, configuring, and running a bot from the bot store. For this exercise, we'll use a bot called Create Invoices in Invoicely. This bot reads invoice information from an Excel spreadsheet and creates an invoice for every row of data in an Excel file. To get started, let's first find this bot in the bot store. Type the word Invoicely in the search box. You'll find that a drop-down list appears with relevant bot names and descriptions. The fourth bot on the list is the bot we're looking for. Click on the Create Invoices in Invoicely result to go to the bot details page. We've now completed step 1, which is finding the right bot for the activity we want to automate. Next, let's download the bot by clicking on the Get Bot button. The installer file, which has a .msi file extension, gets downloaded to your computer. We've now completed step 2, which is downloading the bot. Next, run the installer by clicking on Open or by right-clicking on the .msi file in the Windows File Explorer and selecting Install. An installation wizard window will pop in your screen. Follow the installation steps to go through the installation process. To complete the bot installation, you need a bot license key. To find the license key for the bot you just downloaded, go back to the bot store. Click on the user icon on the top right corner of the page and select My Downloads. This brings up the My Downloads page, which lists all your bot downloads. Find your download and then click on the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the license key for the Create Invoice in Invoicely bot. Now go back to the installer and paste the license key. Click Next and continue to complete the installation. At the end of the installation, you'll find that a new folder has been created in the folder path designated for Bot Store downloads in your Automation Anywhere application directory. Within the bots folder, you'll find a subfolder hierarchy where task bots, metabots, input files, documentation, and README files reside. The README file provides useful information on how to configure and run the bots. It is helpful to always read the README file, which comes with the installation, before running bots you've downloaded from the bot store. The Input Files folder contains the Excel file that the bot will read to create invoices in the Invoicely application. The bot will parse each row in the spreadsheet and create an invoice with the data in each row. We've now completed step 3, which is bot installation. Next, we'll configure the bot and then run it. Launch the Automation Anywhere Enterprise client. Expand the My Tasks folder, and then expand the Bot Store folder under it, where all the bot downloads from the bot store reside. Under the Bot Store folder, expand the Create Invoice Invoicely AA folder, which contains the bot we just installed. Then click on the My Tasks folder. You'll notice that a task bot called create_invoice.atmx appears in the My Tasks list. Right-click on the Create Invoice task bot and choose Edit to launch the Automation Anywhere client workbench. We're now looking at the contents of Create Invoice task bot file. There are a few prerequisites to run this bot. You'll need to create a user account in the Invoicely application, and the client names used in the input spreadsheet should exist in Invoicely. Now let's configure the bot. Click on Variable Manager on the right to view the local variables. Enter the Invoicely username in the username variable, then enter the password in the password variable. Finally, enter your organization's Invoicely URL in the URL field to complete the configuration. We've now completed step 4, which is bot configuration. We're now ready for the last step, which is running the bot. First, click on the Save button to save your configuration changes. Then click on Run to run the bot. You can see that the bot opens the Excel spreadsheet. It then enters data from the spreadsheet into the invoice creation form. Then it clicks on Save to create the invoice. It then repeats this process for each record in the spreadsheet. Congratulations! You just created 3 invoices with a push of a button.